Hey friends, we are going to go back today and do some smaller ones just to take a little break from the bigger ones. And I want to make sure that you really understand how to do when there's only two numbers under the house and then one divisor. So we're going to zoom in. So this is the very first page of your 3-1 homework and remembering. It may not have the red binding on it. It might actually be bound. So look for your chapter 3 homework and remembering. All right, first thing we're going to do is we are going to just do a line every other, okay? And the last one, let's see if we do, yeah, we'll kind of stick with doing every other row, guys, for today. I think that will be perfect for you guys. Okay, so I'm going to zoom in and one thing that I noticed about this page is that the divisor, so the number on the outside, is always bigger than that first number. So we are always going to be putting an X in that first spot because as we can see, 5 cannot fit into 2. So I'm going to be putting an X there, okay? And that's actually going to happen on all of these, okay? Because that first number is smaller than the divisor. So right away, we're going to say, how many times does 5 fit into 29? I'm going to go over to the side and I'm going to start counting by 5s. 10, 15, 20. Remember, I don't want to go over 29, but I want to get as close as I can. 25, 30. Oops, too big. So 25 is the winner. And that was how many 5s is 25? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Put my 5 on top. And then take that number times your outside number. 5 times 5 is 25. And I am ready to subtract. 9 take away 5 is 4. And already I can tell that that 4 is smaller than the number outside the house, which means I am done. I don't have any more numbers to bring down. So my answer is 5, remainder 4. Circle your answer, and these should be easier for you to do, okay? And I'm going to say, let's keep going a little bit here together. I'm going to right away, I'm going to say, how many times does 8 go into 34? Because I've already got my X up there. So then I'm going to start my 8 count bys. 8, 16, 24. Get as close as you can to 34. 8 times 4 is 32. Ooh, that's close, because if I do another 8, I'll go over, won't I? So 32 is 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 8s can fit in there. And 4 times 8 is 32. Go ahead and subtract. 4 take away 2 is 2. And already I can see that 2 is smaller than 8, so I am done. So you're always just going to have that one step each time today. Okay, you're not going to have to bring down more numbers, which is nice. So I'm going to have you do a few more than you normally do, okay, because they're a little bit easier. So let's look at number 3 together. How many times does 9 fit into 75? Start your 9 count bys. Grab your times table if you need it. 9, 18, 27, 36. You see what number I'm trying to get as close to 75 without going over. 9 times 5 is 45, 54, 63. I'm getting close, aren't I? Let's try one more. 9 times 8 is 72. Can't do another 9 or I'll go over. So 72 is a magic number, and that was 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 9s. 8 times my outside number is 72. 5 take away 2 is 3, and I am done. Isn't this kind of nice just to not have to bring down, right? So Sagan forgot to circle. All right, so I am going to leave you with 6 today because I know you can do it, okay? And if you want to go ahead and just put your X's on top of that first one there, just so you remember, that you're going to do the whole number right away. So right away, I'm going to say, how many times does 7 go into 45? Start your count bys. I'm excited to see if you guys can do this on your own. Okay, 28, 35, 42. Ooh, better stop, right? How many times was that? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. You know where to put the 6. And you are going to finish those up for today. So you have 6 problems to do on 3-1.